This year has been difficult for everyone. At the refuge, we've had to cancel most of our events that bring in critical funding. At the same time, we have continued to rescue animals in need. We have been inundated with requests to help animals. So we're very proud that this year we've been able to take in 24 individuals. Ponte was rescued from starvation. We were contacted by an individual here in Pittsboro, North Carolina, about a goat he had seen wandering around the property. As it turns out, Ponte had found a dilapidated trailer and made it into a shelter for himself. But without adequate food, he was slowly starving, and he was also at risk from predators. After several rescue attempts, we were finally able to bring Ponte to the refuge and start him on a nutrient-dense diet. He has just made a remarkable recovery. He is now good friends with many goats and volunteers, but he has a special relationship with Lily. Another one of our rescues this year was Sweet Pea. Kelly Gurin, who's a friend and filmmaker with We Animals, was filming in a Purdue chicken farm.
One particular grower just did something that was absolutely unprecedented for any of my shoots, which was let me into the barns to film. I spotted Sweet Pea, who wasn't Sweet Pea yet. She was just this little nugget of a chicken, about half the size of everybody else in there. I asked if that one's gonna die anyway, if you're gonna kill it anyway, do you mind if I take them? And he said sure. And I took my cameras and we left the farm. She was this little skinny thing, and I swear she wasn't gonna survive the first night that I had her. Then after one night of chicken sleepover, I brought her to Piedmont. Now she's out pecking around in the garden and eating spiders and cuddling with people, and I'm so happy.
Since she arrived, Sweet Pea has grown from just a tiny chick to a healthy teenage chicken who still loves to be held and snuggled. Your support of the refuge means more now than ever before. Without our events and with donations down, we need you to help us get through the pandemic. I hope you will consider making a direct donation today, and also take a look at our Patreon page and consider becoming a monthly supporter. This organization means the world to me. I work hard every day to make sure that it and the animals are thriving. Thank you so much for your support of Piedmont Farm Animal Refuge.